going on, guys? It's Krusty and the crew back again with another food review for you guys. I hope you're having a good day, good morning, and good night whenever you guys are watching this. Check it out, check it out. I got an interesting one in store for y'all today. But before we get into this, let the crew introduce themselves.
Yo, what's up? It's Mariah.
I'm ready to feel lethargic today. It was good. It's your boy Prodigy. Back at it again. Right now I'm feeling cold, man. Shiver me timbers. God damn. Here you go, my boy.
Hey, man, I'm just cold and hungry. And it's your boy Edwin, man. Happy to be here. Happy to be back.
I'll say we're all hungry. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm really hungry today. We got an interesting one in store for you guys. We are at the Winter OC Fair. Shout out to the OC Fair for letting us come here and film and have amazing content for you guys. Better come over to the OC Fair. Also, Merry Christmas to everybody. We will be trying a bunch of food today. So, a bunch of selections from the OC Fair. This festival, you know, it's not the biggest, but it's the most beautiful thing I've seen. You know, for Christmas, you know, you can bring your family here. But for this video, obviously, it's food. So let's go ahead, man. Let's try all the food in the world, bro, that's out here at the OC Fair. So much nom-noms. So much nom-noms.
For the viewers in the back, get your Tums ready because we're getting it ready.
Yes.
Merry Christmas to all of you. Ho, ho, ho.
We at the backyard barbecue. We have no idea what it tastes like. We have no idea what we're getting into, but I'm super excited to be starting with backyard barbecue first. This is the first stand, the first food festival that we're gonna be trying. I mean, I'm super excited. Let's go ahead, man. Backyard barbecue, let's get right into it. Give me something sweet, give me something good, give me something amazing. Man, I got me some carne asada fries. As you can tell, my boy got a Philly cheesesteak. Mariah, filled with barbecue, damn. And Mariah got some hot Cheeto corn, right? Esquite. Esquite, sorry.
I just got some wings. I mixed the buffalo and the barbecue sauce together.
Okay,
so
and we got these big ass crown curly fries, you feel me? Damn, you don't even let us take a bite first? That's crazy. Oh, it's a parade.
Philly cheese, valid. If you want to get something small but good enough to get you through the fair, pretty good. Price-wise, a little pricey, but it's actually pretty worth it.
That shit good. I'm about to bust right now.
You're about to who?
On who?
Huh?
I'm a big wing guy. I love wings. These shits are pretty good, man.
Yo, he's the first ever person I seen eat a wing with one hand. Let's hear the ASMR chew.
It's Beastman things, you know? I mixed the buffalo and the barbecue, and it came out amazing. Looks good.
I ain't gonna lie, that do look good. These carne asada fries, they hit it. I ain't gonna lie, the sauce, the green sauce, is what's making this carne asada fries right now, bro, the green sauce. Shout out to, man, Backyard Barbecue. Shout out to the supervisor, Ruben, man, for helping us out and letting us try out all the foods here, do a little food review, man. But shout out to Backyard Barbecue for being the first review. Carne asada fries are good. I ain't gonna lie, for a fair, this is a good 9 out of 10.
8 out of 10. They're pretty good, but I like big Philly cheesesteaks and everything. And, you know, it kind of took a while for them to, like, get this one down. But one thing I will say, they were quick. They were efficient. We barely ordered, and literally in less than, like, 10 minutes, our food was already ready. I was like, dang, that was quick.
It broke the scale.
I'll give it a 8.5 out of 10 or a 9. This is pretty good. It's really solid.
8.5, there it is, man. Hey, let's go ahead. Let's get to the next restaurant. This shit hit, and I ain't gonna lie. So we are here at Antonio's Pizza and Wings. Let me say it right. Antonio, you feel me, pizzas and wings. We're about to figure out if this is, you know, good pizza, bad pizza, all right pizza. Is it better than the ones outside of the fair? Let's find out, man. Can't wait, man. Antonio. Thank you. Appreciate that, bro. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Beautiful. That ain't no microwave pizza. All those theories are liars. Pizza. Why are you looking like that?
Can't eat this part, but I'm gonna fuck this shit up.
Looks good, man. It doesn't look real. Looks like someone just copied and pasted a piece of pizza right there.
Okay, that's pretty good. Well, in that case, let's go ahead and copy this pizza and paste it into our stomach. Let's go. Yeah, he over there. It's hot. The theory is wrong. It's not microwavable pizza. It's just pizza. Go ahead, take your bite, bro.
You try that, youngin'.
That's good. That's good. It's not Chuck E. Cheese pizza.
Ooh, I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready to take a bite of this shit. This shit hot.
This one called this for her.
Oh, one last
I ain't gonna lie. That shit fire. I need some anyways. Hand it over. Hand it over.
That's good. Red lemonade, not bad. Damn! You breathing lemonade?
All right, man.
You can't have any.
Sharing is caring, man.
Nope.
Damn!
I'm gonna report you. Thank you.
Oh my God. That's amazing. Well, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I give that shit a 9. That's some good ass pizza.
Good.
I ain't gonna lie, I need another one. That shit pretty good though. That's fire. I ain't gonna lie to you, that shit's fire. This is after we have tried
Sorry.
backyard barbecue sweets. It was really good. I kind of wish I had done a little intro right before we tried it, but this shit right here is fire, man. So I hope you guys enjoy us trying this food. This is one of a kind right here. I love fried Oreos.
Sorry, babe, I couldn't enjoy the fried Oreo. I stole her fried Oreo by accident. But yeah, it was really good food. Anyways, it was really, really good. And I want my girl deep fried Oreos.
Yeah, we sure do. He sure owes her a deep fried Oreo. We got the last, meal, the desserts, the last ride. We got the fried Oreos. I think it's a fried Snicker, the funnel cake. We got the chicken. You feel me? The what is it?
It's the
chicken
barbecue
sandwich?
chicken, but I had to end up putting a little bit more barbecue on it.
He went extra barbecue. We got the esquite again because I wanted to try it. But thank you to Backyard Barbecue and
Mom's Bake Shop.
Mom's Bake Shop. Babe.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
These cookies
Cheers.
are soft as hell.
Oh, they look soft.
Bro, man, that's soft like... this is my first time trying fried Oreos, and it's fire.
Such a good cookie.
God, diabetes.
I haven't had this in so long. It's so good.
The funnel cake. Mom's Bake Shop, eh? You feel me? Mom's Bake Shop. That shit was fire. Fried Oreo was fire. I'm excited for that fried Snicker. Whoa.
I should get my tangy.
Whoa. So we're done with the food review at the OC Fair. This is the fair food review. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm super grateful for the workers, for the supervisors, everybody that helped us out at the OC Fair Winterfest. I can't lie, man. This place is beautiful, bro. I think you got to bring your family. Not only that, Merry Christmas, man. You guys full? You guys full?
Pretty full, man.
And barbecue's so good, I had to get myself another one.
Yeah. You full?
Yeah, I enjoyed everything. It was so much fun.
Hell yeah,
What
that's
a
awesome.
great experience being here in the OC Fair.
Hell yeah. You're full? Are you full over there? You over there? She got hurt at the ride.
I feel like throwing up.
You feel like throwing up? Oh, you're that full. Wow. Can't lie to you. It probably was all that sugar you ate. You let us know you had to throw up. But thank you. Yeah, just not in the car. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Hey, man, these cookies, I ain't gonna lie to you. These are like mama's cookies. I ain't gonna lie. Much love. Love you guys so much. Thank you to the OC Fair. You guys are amazing. They're turning off the lights on us. Don't turn off the Christmas tree lights. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. And the crew and Krusty Vlogs.